Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Rice is a staple food for more than half of the world's population. Rice is a rich source of carbohydrates, the body's main fuel source. White rice is actually considered empty carbs since it loses its main sources of nutrients. However, you can add these to your rice when cooking them to improve your health and gives you healthy, younger looking skin. 1. Garlic. You can add a few cloves of chopped garlic into your rice cooker after your rice is cooked. Stir the chopped garlic into the rice and then close the lid of the rice cooker while the rice is still hot. You should only add the garlic after your rice is cooked, as cooking garlic for too long can cause the garlic to lose its nutrients. Garlic may help reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve blood sugar management, which may be beneficial for managing type 2 diabetes. Active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes. It can also lower the levels of blood cholesterol, which reduces the risk of heart disease. 2. Green tea. You can replace water with green tea when cooking your rice by pouring green tea into the rice cooker when you cook your rice. Green tea is considered one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It's loaded with antioxidants that have many health benefits, which include improved brain function, lost weight, prevent cancer, and lower the risk of heart disease. Adding green tea to your rice can make your rice taste nicer and improve its fragrance. 3. Kidney beans. You can add kidney beans to your rice too. Chinese likes eating kidney beans rice as they taste really nice, and kidney beans rice is really nutritious. Remember to soak kidney beans overnight and then pour a cup of kidney beans into your rice cooker when you cook your rice. Kidney beans are super high in fiber, starches, and antioxidants, making them a perfect colon cleansing food. Kidney beans are an excellent plant-based source of protein. They are also rich in various minerals, vitamins, fibers, antioxidants, and other unique plant compounds. It aids weight loss, promotes colon health, improves gut health, and moderates blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.